Hello friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile phone camera as web camera in case you are joining or in case you are attending Zoom meetings or Google meetings or whatever meeting that you might be attending online. Okay, so make sure then that you stay with me, okay, and don't miss out any of the steps which I'm going to show you here, and they are very easy and they will be helping you to give a good impression during those meetings that you will be attending online. Okay, you know, sometimes laptops, they don't offer a good camera, they don't offer a good video quality, and most of the times people will have phones which have nice cameras. Okay, so in this case you can change your phone camera and use that as your web camera during those meetings. Okay, so make sure that you stay with me, don't miss out even a bit of the details that I'm going to be sharing with you now. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is that we have to come and click here on the browser, any browser that you use in your laptop. Okay, so upon reaching here on the browser, what we have to look for is that we have to come and click here on this search. Okay, so what we're gonna search now is that we are going to search for ivcam. Okay, so we shall look for ivcam. Okay, so here we shall click here, enter, then to search for this ivcam. So there we go. Now we shall click here on this first link here, ivcam use mobile phone as PC webcam. Okay, so then we shall click here on this first link. Okay, so after this it will take us here. Okay, so the next thing that we shall do is that we shall come and click here on download for Windows. Okay, so we shall come and click here on download for Windows. Okay, so this is an advertisement, we have to remove this. Okay, so we shall click close here, and as you can see it starts downloading this software. Okay, so it will start downloading its setup. Okay, so now as the setup is done downloading, what we are going to do is that we shall come and click here on open file. Okay, so we can click here on open file or click here on this folder to show in folder. Okay, so let us show in folder. So this is the one that we got. Okay, so we shall come and click here on this. Okay, we shall click right click. Okay, then click run as administrator. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to install this software in our laptop. Okay, so then click yes. Okay, so then the next thing that we have to do is that we shall click okay here, and then click next, then click install. So now it will install this software. Then after it installs the software, I will tell you what is next. Okay, so now we shall click here on this finish. So now guys, as we are here, you can see that it is waiting for IV connection. So, and for what you can see here, you can see that it is shown scan to download the mobile app. And you have to remember that we are trying to use our mobile phone's camera as the web camera for our laptop during those Zoom meetings. Okay, so then it means what we are going to do now is that we are going to take our mobile phone and then scan this QR code which is being presented here. Okay, so then using your phone, you're gonna scan this. Okay, so now the second step is to scan this code, this QR code. So we shall scan it, then we shall open this link that we are given here. This link will immediately direct us to the ivcam webcam. Okay, so this is the mobile version. Okay, so it means we have to install this also in our mobile. Okay, so we shall click here install, then wait until it gets done. Okay, so as of now you can see that it is done. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to click here on open. Okay, so we shall open this ivcam webcam. Okay, so for what you can see that it is searching for ivcam PC. So what we're gonna do, and this is the most important step here that you have to know, is that you have to connect to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, as the one your laptop is connected to. Okay, so this means what? Looking at my laptop here, you can see that I'm connected to this Wi-Fi. Okay, this one is to 5G. Okay, and here on my phone I was using my own data. So it means what I have to do is that I have to disconnect this data, okay, then connect it to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so I will make sure that I connect it to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so now you can see that I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi, to 5G. So once you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, this is what will happen. It will show you that it has found Webcam on PC. Okay, this Moise, it is the name of the PC which I'm using, or the name of the laptop. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is that you will click on this middle button. Okay, here you will click here on this middle button, which is play button. Okay, so then we shall click here. You can see that what is being shown in my phone here, it is the same thing which is being shown on camera on my laptop. Okay, and here you got also the options to change to the front camera. You can see you can change to the front camera here, and this is me. There you go. Okay, let me show you, in case you are attending the Zoom meeting, what will happen and what you are going to be doing in order to keep using this camera. Okay, so now let's pretend as if we are going to join a Zoom meeting. Okay, so if we are going to join a Zoom meeting and we want to use this mobile phone's camera as the web camera, what we're gonna do, for example, let me open this Zoom. Okay, so and let me start as if I'm going to create the Zoom meeting. Okay, so as you can see that here the web camera which is being shown here, it is my web camera. This is my laptop's web camera. Okay, you can see that it is not clear, it is not good at all. Okay, so when you try to compare with the one which is being generated, or which is being provided by the phone, you can see that this one here, it's low quality. Okay, but you can see that this one is solid, it is nice, it is having the best quality ever. Okay, so to use this phone's camera as Zoom meetings web camera, what you have to do is that you have to come and click here on video. Okay, so you have to make sure that you come and click here on this upper arrow, this arrow which is directing upward. Okay, so you shall come, so you will come and click here. Okay, so and you can see here there is select a camera. Okay, so you can see there is HP HD webcam, so you have to change this to this E2E soft Webcam. Okay, so now you see that the web camera which I'm using now, it is so nice. You can see that it is really good quality camera. Okay, so now when you are attending the meeting, this is the one which will be shown to people you are having the meeting with. Okay, and one more thing that you have to know is that when you are using this web camera from your phone, you can also customize its settings. You can be changing to the rear camera, to the front camera. You can minimize the brightness, you can increase the focus, you can switch on the light. So yeah, let me show you. For example, yeah, see, what you will be doing is that you will have to come and click here. Okay, and then click here on this camera settings. Okay, and then you will be changing everything. Okay, so let's say we want to change to the rear camera or the back camera. So if we do it, you can see that you will see these things backwards. Okay, and then now we can also try to change it back to the front camera. Then we shall click there again. Okay, so by using these settings here, you get to see that you can change everything. You can change every settings, you can change however you want to look like. There you can increase the brightness, the contrast, everything you can change here. Okay, and the most important thing that you have to note here is that you should be using the strong Wi-Fi, because if you are using the weak Wi-Fi, it will too slow. Okay, you can see sometimes with this uh, Wi-Fi network fluctuations, you can see that my video sometimes it will be going a bit slow. So it means you have to be using the most strong Wi-Fi to keep your video smooth. Okay. Also, guys, one more important thing that you have to note is that you should be using something as this phone stand here, so that you can keep your phone there while you are attending this Zoom meeting, so that your camera, it will not be moving, it will not be giving some disturbances. Okay, so guys, I hope that you've liked my video, and I hope that everyone has understood well how to use mobile phones camera as web cameras in Zoom meetings or Google meetings, or any meeting that you will be attending online which requires you to switch on your camera. Okay, so guys, then I really wish you a nice day. I really wish you a fruitful day, a wonderful and most amazing day. So have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.